and the toll on civilians and security forces, one can identify that the path to peace is in sight, especially for the states in northern Nigeria and other parts of the country. Therefore, the choice of the topic, tranquility through ethno-religious tolerance and peaceful coexistence, is apt, timely, and consistent with the present-day realities. The session recognizes that the Arewa New Agenda had in the past organized similar dialogue to probe issues that concerns the interests of the North as well as Nigeria at large, and this is another milestone in the continuing endeavor to chart the way for continuing social cohesion and development in northern region. The roundtable provided the opportunity for participants who expressed their concerns, fears, and displeasure amidst a reminiscence of the good old days of northern Nigeria that was the home to all, irrespective of tribe, ethnicity, religion, and other mundane considerations. Participants in their various submissions, individually and collectively, aver that hope is not lost, as they are of the firm conviction that the North is still capable of returning to the glorious days when our dear old Nigeria was the envy of the world in terms of peace and harmonious coexistence. Participants went ahead to propose solutions going forward. The following, therefore, are the resolutions from the session. 1. The sessions agree collectively that our country, Nigeria, has an opportunity to build back the social fabrics of cohesion and brotherhood as it used to be in the past. 2. It's also noted that and appreciated the efforts of Arewa New Agenda in bringing together leaders of communities from all parts of Nigeria to deliberate on issues that promote tranquility in northern Nigeria in particular and Nigeria in general. 3. It noted and appreciated the efforts of various ethno-community leaders and individuals across northern Nigeria who are involved in promoting tolerance and peaceful coexistence. 4. The participants identified the following factors as obstacles to peaceful coexistence in some communities in northern Nigeria. 1. Lack of respect for culture of local communities by residents. Absence of inclusive governance in various communities and states. Lack of information or understanding on the nuances and cultural values of communities. Against this background, the participants resolved to 1. Continue the process of dialogue, advocacy, and sensitization across northern Nigeria to resolve all issues of communal conflict and clashes. 2. To engage other groups with similar commitment in the promotion of all processes and activities that will foster tranquility in northern Nigeria in particular and Nigeria in general. 3. That government at all state and federal level should revisit the National Almajiri Education Program. The dialogue session recommended the following. 1. A call on ANA to engage with state governments to further create a more secured environment for various ethnic groups who decide to reside in the northern Nigeria. 2. Forgiveness is imperative. Therefore, the dialogue proposed a National Day of Forgiveness and Reconciliation to be championed by ANA in collaboration with government and community leaders. 3. The state government should promote inclusivity to recognize the contribution ethnic communities when they form their cabinets. 4. The dialogue encourages state governments to establish an interfaith commission in their respective states that will manage ethnic and religious matters. 5. The National Orientation Agency, NOA, should be reoriented and be more proactive with messages of peace to Nigerians in primary and secondary schools regularly. 6. That government should revisit National Livestock Program and create a National Livestock Commission that will manage livestock issues and its value chain in Nigeria. 7. A call on ethno-religious leaders to educate their subject on the significance of respecting cultures and religion of others. 8. The national state assemblies need to address the issue of state indigene so that we have Nigeria as the nationality of every Nigerian. 9. State government should register a joint vigilante group which will comprise of every ethnic nationality. 10. The teaching of history should be returned to our schools as a matter of urgency. Signed by all the leaders.